So once in a while we talk about this massive slash that happens on Superhive, and today we're looking at the folks at Lazy3D and a few others as they're doing a massive slash on a lot of things. First off, they've released a brand new tool called the Lightmaster Pro, which is an artistic lighting toolkit, and this is launching for 80% off. For those who like to grab this has just been announced. You can simply go over to the link in the description and check this one out, as this is a library of artistic lighting tools that comes with 500 plus ready-made assets that you can instantly place and shape your entire scene how you want. So whether you're thinking about just advanced placement of these tools, or maybe working with the asset themselves, or maybe you're thinking about something that you can use to create that nice looking shot, the Lightmaster Pro is just a brilliant tool that they've put together. And the fun part is this is doing an 80% off. Alongside this, the folks at Lazy3D are also doing a 50% off on a lot of things that they've got on their storefronts. So depending on what you like to get, you can get any of this for 50% off. At the same time, there are some that are doing 55%, which are bundles, and you've got 35% on this one as well. If you like to grab any of this, say for example, the physical fog, we can click on that, and here says that spring sale 50% off on all Lazy3D product. So if you go over here, it's not necessarily 50% now, is it? So how do you get the 50%? So how you get the 50% is a combination of this slash alongside a nice slash that is here as well. So for you to grab that, you need to click on this, and then it brings you here, and you can simply copy that. So you can copy the coupon code, and say for example, you like to get the physical fog, or maybe, you know, the Fauna Pro, whatever you want to get. Any of these things here are currently 50%. So if you like to get any of them, you can simply click on that and then add this to your cart. Now, once you add this to cart, click to view your cart. And from here, you can click on continue to checkout. And once you get there, simply enter that coupon code that we copied. And once you do that, let's actually delete the G, put that G back. Sometimes this will require you to type it in, and just deleting one letter and putting it back is more than enough. So once you do that, click on apply coupon, and there you have it. So now we can claim this. And right here, you do have that proper 50% off that folks at Lazy3D promised. And this slash is currently happening as a pre-spring sale slash. So if you like to get this, possibly like to get all of this for 50%, or maybe there are add-ons that they currently have that you like to get for 25% off before the spring sale begins, then you can simply come through and grab it. And this is running out pretty soon. And speaking about things that are running out, the folks at ICT, they're putting out all their stuff for 50% off as well. So if you simply go over to the ICT generator, which is an amazing tool to generate stuff. If you like to generate CTs procedurally, quickly, simply go ahead and use this. This is currently doing a 50% offer. Again, this one is running out in a couple of hours as well. So if we go ahead and click on that and come right here, you can see we've got the Flash May sale. So it's really going out quickly. That's why it's called the Flash May sale. So you can go ahead and grab that, click on this to have that. And then we can click on ICT. Maybe we'd like to download this one. Maybe we'd like to get this. Now it's doing 79. We can add this to cart. Click on view, go over here. Let's go in and remove this so that we can actually get this sorted. Click on continue to checkout. Go in there, dial that in. I'm just simply going to delete that and put the 0 back on, and click on apply coupon. And that way we have it 50% on the buck. So if you like to get any of these ones from their iCars, which is a very cool traffic system tool, or the iCrowd, which is also really good for those who are thinking about building crowd systems. Maybe you like a ragdoll simulation, or maybe you like to attract, repel your characters, build amazing cities, do all of this stuff, then you can simply rely on these ones. And all of these are running out in a couple of hours. So for those who like to grab this right now, links to this is going to be in the description. At the same time, there's also a couple of other ones like the Loft Curve from askNK that is also doing a 50% off. And this has been going on for some time. In case you're thinking about converting your curves to surfaces, this is a pretty cool tool. If you're also thinking about, you know, some material tools that you can work with, then the Woodmaster is also another nice one from Miu, and I think this is doing a 30% off. Yep, this is doing a 30% off. You can actually come through and grab this one as well. So lots of things are currently available that are doing discount, and I'm going to link them in the description. And of course, a huge shout out to the folks at Lazy3D, askNK, and also the folks at ICT for making this possible. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.